Okay, hi there. This is Keith, and in today's video, I'm going to explain to you how the Kaza spike indicator works. Okay, so if you're watching this video, I will assume that you've already downloaded the spike detector for Kaza, and I assume that you've already installed it. So, in case you have not downloaded the spike indicator and you have not installed it, I'll include the link in the description to that video where you can download it and then how to install. So let's begin. So first of all, I'm going to explain to you this Kaza spec detector, how it works and how you can use it. Okay, so first of all, we're going to start with explaining what you're able to see on this screen. Okay, so this Kaza spec detector has about 3 or 4 indicators inside. Okay, so let's start with this one over here. Okay, so the time. Okay, so the time indicator here is this one, which is somewhere here. Okay, so what this indicator does is that it will show you how many seconds or minutes are left for a bar to appear. Okay, so for example, let's take for example this let's say, okay, yeah, this same red bar here. Okay, so as you can see, this red bar here, the timer, which is this one, to show you how many seconds are left for it, like more like disappear. Okay, also applies for the green candles here to show you how many seconds or minutes are remained to go to the next one. Okay, so after the timer, we'll go to the super trend, this one. Okay, so the super trend is actually let me try to zoom in. Okay, so the super trend, the super trend is actually this one here. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. Okay, the super trend is this one. Okay, it has got some greenish and reddish color. Okay, it's this one which is actually here. Okay, so this is a super trend. So what this super trend shows you, it's actually more like a trend line. It can show you how uh these are moving. Apart from this, we also have got the spike detector, which is here. So this, of course, I'm sure you already know what it does, to show you when there is a possible spike out. So when there's a possible spike, it will alert you somewhere and to tell you that it will be a spike, so that you can trade with a spike. Okay, then also I've got the moving minimax. The moving minimax is actually this one over here. Okay, so the moving minimax will actually show you the trends. Okay, so let me just do something. Okay, for example, here, this is where the green moving minimax starts, and it ends somewhere here. Okay, so okay, so the moving max, which starts here from the green candles to here, it will show you that this is an uptrend. By the way, this is crash 1000. Okay, so this is an uptrend. Okay, so when the uptrend is done, you're going to see the moving minimum marks, the bars are going to depreciate to become small over here. Okay, so even here, let's also take an example. For example, here, the moving minimax here, okay, the bars are also small, but as you go up, okay, let me just draw the line so that you can get to see what I'm talking about. Okay, so focus on this part here. Okay, so here you can see it crashed here and here twice. Okay, and this is an uptrend here. So focus on the moving minimax. the moving minimax is this one, which is down here. So let's focus from this point to this point, what has been happening to the moving minimax. So as you can see here, okay, there was more green bars. Okay, they're actually big, then they became small, then they started increasing. Okay, when it reached here, then again they started decreasing and increasing. So this one can help you actually predict like what's really happening here. So the moving minimax can actually help you if you are buying. For example, this is crash 1000. Okay, if you are buying after spikes, okay, it can help you close trades fast. For example, if after there's this spike here, if I want to place a trade, a buy order here, I can buy order, and it will actually tell me when I should sell. So for example, when it reaches somewhere here near this line, okay, so when it reaches somewhere this line, it's actually more like a warning that if you're still having this trade, you should probably close it, because anytime sooner it can crash on you. So this is how the moving mini max can actually help you. So apart from this, we also have got the damjan, which is actually here. The damjan, it's also an indicator. The damjan is actually this one here. Okay, so how can the damjan actually help you? Okay, I'm sure also the damjan is actually straightforward, because let's take for example from here to here and see what's happening. So from here to here, we see the bars increasing. Then when it reaches here, the bars starts decreasing. Okay, so this actually shows you that it was an uptrend, and then here, like for example here, when it crashes, they will decrease and you're going to see the red bars. Same as here, when it crashes, you're going to see bars. Even here, you're going to see the red bars. Even here, when it crashes, you're going to see the red bars. So in short, what the downtrend does that when it green candles or bars are increasing, it means an uptrend. When you see some red bars in the downtrend, it means that it crashed. So for example, if you place trades, sorry for that dog, it's making a lot of noise. Okay, let's continue. Yeah, so if you're placing trades after spike, okay, so let's say you place a buy order here, okay, and if you are following the downtrend, for example, when it reaches here on the middle, you can close a trade, because anytime from here it can crash on you. Okay, so let me repeat that again. If you're trading after spikes, so example, you place a buy order here, when it reaches here, you have to close a trade, because anytime from here it can crash. Okay, so after the downtrend, we also have got the 4MA candles. Okay, the 4MA candles is actually this one here. Okay, this one. So what does this one also tell you, or how can it help us trade? Okay, this one works like more like okay, this also shows you the trends. Okay, so let's take for example here. Okay, so the 4MA candles actually has got two colors. I'm not good at colors, but this color looks like, I don't know, reddish brown, I don't know, and it also has got a green color. So let's take for example here, when it crashed, okay, the 4MA candles indicator, it was actually going down when it crashed. Then when it reached here, sorry for that. Okay, we are here. So when it crashed, it started going down until it met the current normal candlesticks. Then when it reached here, it changed colors to green, and it was going up, and it was going up, and it was going up, and it was going up. Let's see for another example. Okay, so let's take for example here. Here when it crashed, okay, the 4MA candles, okay, its colors are now, I don't know, brown. I don't know what color this is, okay, but I hope you understand. Okay, so it started going down, going down, going down, going down, going down, going down. Okay, as you notice here, it didn't cross any of these green candles here. Okay, but when it reached here, it crossed the green candles. So what can you learn from this? When it crosses the green candle, it means to start going up. Okay, so when it crossed the green candle, started going up, going up. Then again here, when it crashed, okay, changed the colors, became to brown. Again here, when it crossed, okay, it became green. So how can you use this 4MA indicator? Okay, so for example, if it's in this color and you are placing trades after spikes, I encourage you not to place those trades because anytime it can crash. So if you like to place trades after spikes, okay, I suggest you wait for you see where it appears to be green. So for example here if you want, you can place a buy order, okay, and close as soon as possible as you can. Okay, so I've now explained the indicators found in the Kaza. Okay, so this is from my own experience. Okay, though I've used it, you can also use them according to what you know or how it can work for you. Okay, so um the video is going to 11 minutes. I never wanted this video to go this far, so let me summarize what I've explained so far. Okay, so to summarize how this spark detector works, okay, there are two ways of which you can trade with it. One is trading when you see when it gives you a signal that you should for example, if it gives you a signal that there'll be a spike, okay, you can trade with that spike, but sometimes it can be late. Okay, so the other way you can trade is buying after spikes. For example, this is crash. Okay, after a spike you can place a buy and it will tell you, it can really show you like when you should close your trade before a spike comes in. So if you're trading boom, okay, in this case you have to sell, okay, before the spike happens. Yeah, so uh I never wanted this video to go this far. Okay, I could have waited for a spike to show up and try to trade. Okay, so but in this case I'm thinking of making a live stream later on. But if you have any other questions, feel free to comment, and I think I'm going to end the video right here. And yeah, remember to like this video, comment and share. Okay, I'm not good at explaining things, but I just hope you learn something from this. Bye for now.